In 1963, at the Frankfurt Motor Show, a new car appeared. It was unlike anything anyone had seen. Production began shortly after, and it became available to the public in 1964. But here's the question. Why did this car, with its engine hanging behind the rear axle, defy everything engineers said was possible? How could it handle corners at high speed without spinning out? How could a design that seems like a physics nightmare not just survive, but dominate? Most manufacturers would have changed it, moved the engine, made it easier to control. But Porsche didn't. They kept the challenge and learned to work with it, refining it over decades, understanding it, perfecting it, and in doing so, they created something unique. Not just a fast car, but a different way of thinking about engineering. The Porsche 911 doesn't succeed because it follows the rules. It succeeds because it understands them. And maybe that's the real lesson.